All right, today for September 1st, in Google Classroom, scroll down until you see September 1st and click on the assignment as Social Studies Weekly 18 American Symbols. We're going to complete this magazine using Kami, so click on your name or your assignment. And remember, it might be a big file, so it could take a minute to open. But when your PDF comes up, be sure to annotate with Kami. Okay. And when the assignment comes up, this is all about our American symbols. All right, there we are. And on the cover, we have Miss Lady Liberty there. And it says the Statue of Liberty was a gift from the people of France. It is one of our most famous monuments. It took 10 years to make her, and Americans celebrated the 100th birthday of the Statue of Liberty on July 4th, 1986. Okay, so that's on the cover. And then when you scroll down, I would like you to be sure to read all of this down below. Keep on scrolling down. And remember, page 2 and 3 end up kind of large, so just click the zoom out button until you can fit both pages on there, and then you can read it easily. Here is the Liberty Bell, and as you should remember from yesterday after your anchor chart, you drew the Liberty Bell and the famous crack that's going up the side of it. Also, it'll talk a little bit about the soldiers in the American Revolution and the Minutemen. Please read why we call them the Minutemen. And down here, Americans believe that everyone has rights that cannot be taken away. Okay, the Declaration of Independence says that people have the right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Just as a tip, you might want to remember that one. Over here, you'll read about Chief Joseph and Cesar Chavez, and finally, President Theodore Roosevelt. When you're finished reading all of that information, scroll down to the bottom, make sure your name is at the top. Using the words in the word bank here, fill in the blanks in these sentences. Your word bank is Parks, Mexico, France, Joseph, Independence, Minutemen, and Liberty. Down below, the Liberty Bell is in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Write an X on the map to show where Philadelphia is located. And if you scroll up, you can see where Philadelphia is on the map above. How many years has it been since the last time the bell rang? Again, read the article about Chief Joseph or Cesar Chavez on page 3 again. Write about what you think the person in the article was, how they were a symbol of courage. When you are finished, please be sure to turn it in to your teacher. Good luck.